So what we need to do now is create our mock heroes in a file that we're going to name mock-heroes.ts. So we're going to put that in here, mock-heroes.ts. We're going to put our heroes in there. So now we need to import our heroes in our heroes component. If we go to our heroes component, we can import our heroes there. Then we also need to add a property to expose the heroes. So what we're going to do now is add our heroes to our HTML file here. So if we go over, oh, it's loading, it's recompiling. Oh, one thing we need to add is this ng4 let hero of heroes. So we just change this li here. Let's see if it works now. Still recompiling. So it explains a bit more about ng4 here. So while that's still going round and round, maybe I can refresh. No, that doesn't help. We can go over to our heroes component and add in our style files. I think they're already there though. Yeah, it's the exact same. So that was automatically generated when we did the generate. So what we're going to do now is add a click event to the list. So I don't know whether it's ever going to load again. You can go over and change our list item so that when you click on it, on a hero, then it will trigger this onSelect hero function, which we have not yet defined. So what we will do is add this to our heroes.component.ts. You can just add it in here, and then we can update the details template. So the template that we are using right here still refers to that other one hero that we made before. So if we update it so that it displays, oh, if I can just get rid of this stuff, it was from here, I think. Yeah, it was. Yep. So this will update depending on what hero you select on. Has it finally updated yet? No, still recompiling. So if your browser is recompiling, after it refreshes, the application should be broken. And the application cannot read the property of name of undefined, because when you first open the app, if you see here, this only works when you've selected a hero, but obviously when you start the page up, no hero is selected. So the application doesn't know what to display there. So what we need to do is define a hero to be displayed by default. Actually, what these have went with is just an if, sorry, I did not read ahead. If a hero has been displayed, then we show that bit of information. So that bit of information here will not be displayed unless someone clicks on a hero. So now we're going to style which hero has been selected. So we're going to put this on the HTML in the li, which is here. Just put that in there. And then what we're going to do, oh, well, we can put this bigger here. So this is what the li class is going to look like. Pretty long. Actually, oh, I've just, this is just basically formatted it so that it's on each line instead. So this is the final code review. Oh, here we go, it started working. My WebSockets failed, so if this happens, just terminate and try and open again. And it should start working. Okay, we've missed out the CSS along the way, I think, because when we click on stuff, it doesn't look nice. Where is it? Here. Ah, I must have went over it by accident. That's why the final code reviews at the bottom are good. If we go to our CSS file, just put this in there. And then, oh no, not this. My WebSockets on my PC are failing. But yeah, so there's the final code review for this section. Just double check that everything looks fine and the same before going on to the next step. So after stopping my server again and restarting it, we can see we've got our nice CSS styling that we wanted. So the next step, we're going to be generating another component called hero detail. So, what did I even try to copy paste? Hero detail. So that is now made. So we go over to our hero details component. Now the thing that we're going to be doing next is adding this in to our HTML file. What we also need to do is we need to take out the HTML for this one, which had this in, which was here. We'll just get rid of this div. There we go. So what we need to do is import our hero into our hero detail component. Make sure that it knows what a hero is. What we're going to be putting this into our, it doesn't say what file, but I'm going to assume it's this one. I'm not sure whether it's going to go above or below, but I'll just put it below for now. And then what we're going to do is add this in so that our hero detail component can use these. Oh, well, it's already going. Just needed to add input because we are going to make this property here and input. Just add it here. So this is actually going to be not here, it will be in our app heroes, just above it, which is here. Oh no, here. Just go like this. I'm not sure whether it should be above, maybe it should be below. Oh no, what have I done? Close. We can put that below. We can go over to our app. Oh, we need to start it again. I just realized that it hasn't been updating. That catches me out every time, I swear. Just close this one, because it will open a new one. And we see that we've still got our hero list here, and we also still have our details here, but it's in its own class now. So again, you've got your final code review at the bottom.